Right, hi folks, this is the Chinese mini lathe with the power supply box I built in the RPM meter, etc. Well, the main focus today is this. This is by an idea by Steve Johnson, who's has a YouTube channel about lathes, in particular the Chinese mini lathe and the Myford. It's a very interesting chap to watch, got lots of things on there. Anyway, the idea is from him. I've modified it slightly, hence the pictures you've seen before this video. We'll show you all these. Tighten this nut up, pulls the V or the cone into the thing and expands it, and it grabs inside, which means that this will turn. Ideal for tapping. And then if I can get my angle off without wrecking the place, made handle which simply goes like this on there, and then of course if you put anything in the chuck you want to tap, you can physically turn the chuck. And a friend of mine, Steve, made one, and he says that they're absolutely fantastic bits of kit. I've not used mine yet, I've only just this second finished it, so I thought I'd put it on for you to see. But excellent idea when you finish with that. Just put that out of the way, and of course you can leave that in there doing its own thing. It won't make no difference to the operation of the lathe. So yeah, very handy. Hope it was interest. Bye.